Ready to send money internationally, but unsure where to begin. Alright, let's dive right in. First, grab your smartphone. Whether it's an Android or an iPhone, these steps are the same for both. Locate the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, or the App Store if you have an iPhone. Tap on the respective app icon to open it. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Taptap Send. You'll see the Taptap Send app appear in the search results. It should have a distinctive orange icon. Tap on the app to go to its main page. Now, you'll see a button that says Install or Get. Tap on that button. Your phone will start downloading the app. Wait patiently until the download and installation are complete. Once it's installed, the button will change to Open. You can tap Open from the App Store page, or you can go to your phone's home screen and find the Taptap Send app icon, then tap the icon to open it. The app will launch and you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. You will then need to tap on the Get Started button. Follow the simple registration instructions, which include creating your account. You will then be required to input your country and phone number. On the next screen, you will need to add personal information such as your full name, email address, and create a password. Provide all the requested personal details accurately. Then, to verify your phone number, you'll receive a verification code via text. Enter this verification code into the app. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to send money. You'll likely be prompted to start sending. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your payment details and the recipient's information, and you're good to go. That's it. €, easy peasy. Now you're all set to start sending money safely and quickly with Taptap Send. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.